Hello everyone, welcome to Nextcart tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to migrate your store data from PrestaShop to BigCommerce. The process is straightforward once broken down. On the screen, you'll notice two main sections, the source cart and the target cart. The source cart represents your current platform, which in this case is PrestaShop. And the target cart is where your data will be transferred to BigCommerce. First, you'll need to enter the URL of your PrestaShop store here in the Source Store URL field. Now we'll want to head over to your PrestaShop site. As you can see, I'm already at my PrestaShop dashboard here. You can see View My Store here. All you have to do is click and copy this URL from the address bar. Alright, now that we've got the link, let's head back to the Nextcart tab and paste it right here into the Source Store URL field. Next up, we'll need this Kit Connect file. This is a special connection tool that helps to synchronize your data between the two platforms securely. If you haven't connected the Kit Connect folder with PrestaShop, you'll see a 404 error when clicking to check the Kit Connect URL link. Okay, come back to the Nextcart tab. You click right here to download it automatically. Once it's done, you will see the zip folder located at the top right corner. You click Show in Folder. All you have to do is click on Extract All to unzip the folder. You can see here, there are two files inside like this. Now we need to upload this Kit Connect folder to FileZilla or cPanel to transfer files from your computer to the server, ensuring updates are applied live. You can download a free FileZilla from Google. As you can see, I've already got it installed, and this is what the interface looks like. Now, all you have to do is drag your unzipped Kit Connect folder, which contains two files inside, to the right panel, just like I'm doing here. Once the transfer is complete, FileZilla will let you know. You'll either see a File Transfer Successful notification at the bottom of the screen. To check if Kit Connect has successfully connected to your web store, just click on the blue Kit Connect URL link. If it's successful, you'll see this message confirming that the connection has been successfully installed. Alright, the PrestaShop side is all done. Now let's switch over to BigCommerce. In the target cart setup, it will need four things: your store URL, API path, client ID, and access token. Okay, let's go into the BigCommerce store to get shop's URL first. On the bottom left, click on Channels. Under the Storefronts section, copy the blue URL link shown here. Then come back to Nextcart and paste it in here. We move back to BigCommerce once again. On the bottom left, you'll go into your settings, scroll down a little bit, and then click on Store Level API Accounts in API field. From here, you'll click on Create API Account at the top and give it a name. For this video, I'm just going to name it shortly as PrestaShop to BigCommerce. Scroll down and pick 10 settings, as I will pick in here, and change them to Modify. After you've transferred the settings done, hit Save to create the BigCommerce API. Once that's done, BigCommerce API credentials table will appear immediately, and at the same time, the file contains all the three API configuration that we need to fill in. It displays fully here. Now we head back to the Nextcart tab to paste them. API path is the last line. Client ID is on the third line. And access token is on the first line. Everything's all set now. You click on Next Step to move on to the configuration part of the migration. Now you're on the configuration screen. Under Entities Selection, you'll choose the types of data you want to migrate. You can check individual boxes like products or orders, But since I want to transfer everything, I'm just going to click Select All. Since this is just a demo, you can't select the reviews and coupons. Down to the Additional Options section, I'll pick 3 options as clear data on your target store before the migration, import descriptions images to your target store, and migrate SEO URLs of categories, products, posts, and pages boxes. For the Advanced Attributes Mapping section, I'll set the product price type to tax included, as I want it to maintain the same calculation method to ensure there's no discrepancy in the amount. The system will automatically select your default demo store and default location based on your store settings. In this customer grouping mapping, I'll keep the first 2 as guest and set customer to retail according to my preference. Now let's go through the mapping of order statuses. You can map the statuses below based on how your store processes orders. Now, awaiting check payment map to awaiting payment, payment accepted set to awaiting payment, processing in progress set to awaiting shipment, shipped goes to completed, delivered goes to completed as well, canceled and refunded remain the same, payment error set to incomplete, on back order paid set to awaiting shipment. Awaiting bank wire payment will be mapped to awaiting payment. Remote payment accepted goes to awaiting pickup. On back order not paid goes to awaiting payment. And awaiting cash on delivery validation set to awaiting fulfillment. With that done, just click Next Step to move on to the final part of the migration. In this process, the migration will begin, and I'll speed up the video a little bit to show you how all the data is being transferred. And just like that, once the migration is complete, you'll see this notification. That covers all the steps for migrating your data from PrestaShop to BigCommerce by using NextCart. Okay, now let's switch back to the BigCommerce tab to double check. I'll start with the Products section. Yes, all the products from PrestaShop have been migrated successfully. The categories are all here, exactly 20 as expected. The orders are mapped to the correct statuses, just the way I wanted. And not a single customer is missing. Perfect. I hope this video has helped you easily migrate your data between these 2 platforms. If you're happy with the demo, you can go ahead and buy the Pro version. You click Purchase Now, then choose the entity limit you want. Right below, you'll see the VIP service add-on with 3 options displayed on the screen. And with any of these, our technicians will work with you one-on-one until everything's completed. Once you finish configuring your options, hit Button Now. Besides, if you're having any issues or have questions, just send a help desk ticket. Enter your frequently used email in Requester, the subject you wanna, and the content of your question. Attach your files if you have, like screenshots. Then hit Submit. Our technicians will receive the information, assist, and sort out any issues you might have. Feel free to open a ticket anytime. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.